Yeah, ISM today was still quite strong. I know it came in below expectations, but this was a good number. The prices paid was what was a bit of a eye opener there. I think the supply chain issues right now are a near-term concern. You can definitely see earnings reports probably are going to talk about it for the next quarter or two, but we think that'll sort itself out as we get towards the end of the year.
Keith, when you look at overall market levels, do you feel, for example, the S&P 500 is stretched to the upside at the moment or not?
You know, the index is really just the S&P 500, not the Dow. They got a little overbought at the beginning of April, and then we traded down. But right now, we're completely neutral across all the major indexes. And in fact, the Russell, which has been the best performer over the last 6 months, is modestly oversold at this point in time. So I think one thing to point to is when Michael showed the internals, as long as we keep that momentum, both in terms of breadth and where the money flows are into equities versus bonds, and that's a good sign to keep the markets churning forward. And again, we're not yet overbought across any of the indicators that I look at right now. And you know what we've also witnessed, Wilf, over the last couple of months is when we get a pullback in the S&P 500 of 1 to 2%, it's clearly a buy the dip type of mentality that's going on right there. So my point being is that as long as the momentum stays fairly healthy on the advanced decline, on the breadth indicators, and that we're not overbought yet, I think the market is still set up to move higher, churn higher during the summer.
Marcy, do you agree? And on small caps in particular, is that a place that you like?
Yeah, so I agree. Buy in May and go away, or sell in May and go away might sound catchy, but I don't think it's going to be the case this year. I agree. We have strong market breadth. We have momentum, and I wouldn't necessarily fight that, especially when you have earnings not only coming in strong, but we have sentiment and guidance finally coming back. I think that can push revision ratios higher. And yes, we still like small caps. I think this is a valuation story. And I think we have a good timing now that we're probably mid-cycle. I think that's a favorable time for small caps. So we're overweight small caps as well as large caps in the U.S.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.